Dear colleagues, in Europe we talk a lot about legislation, about EU standards and norms. We don't talk enough about emotions, about what it really means to be a European. The Erasmus Plus program does. Since the first students went on Erasmus, millions of European students have become friends, have fallen in love, have discovered other country languages, culture and beauty. 1 million Erasmus babies. This number speaks for itself. Erasmus Plus is a huge success. I am proud that our group, the EPP, is preparing the Parliament's opinion on the future Erasmus cycle that will run from 2021 to 2027. The new Erasmus program will improve and upgrade existing components of the program. It will improve the opportunities for language learning, facilitate mobility for school children, will focus more on small-scale partnerships and virtual and blended learning. It will also bring major new initiatives, among them the Discover EU program, based on the successful pilot project that is particularly close to my heart. In the EPP group, we want the new program to be more inclusive and accessible to as many Europeans as possible. We want it to be more user-friendly and much less bureaucratic. We want to tackle the low success rate in parts of the program, and we want to allow for a larger number of Europeans to participate. Our standing rapporteur, Milan Zver, has proposed concrete steps to achieve these goals. I hope that today's hearing will contribute to making the Erasmus program even better than before.